Hello everyone, this is Meeraj Kanaparthi back again after a very long time. So I came across this orphanage known as SEH, Sarah's Covenant Home in Khajaguda, and they have requested me to get donations for their orphanage. So I thought about it. So I asked my friends in my gated community so that we can collect donations in terms of money and also in terms of items. Then we buy purchase those items, donate to the orphanage. So it's a very long ride. Let's see how it
Meanwhile, you can see the flyovers. So it was a fun riding all over. As you can see, it's a great weather, nice sunshine and cool weather. I'm very happy to do this job, for sake of orphan and having fun. Yeah, so much cool, you know, weather, lot of wind. Yeah. So I have crossed the high-tech city and going towards Kukatpally. So I am having a little fun with uh, looking around the city, and I can see there's no much traffic here around, and it's very easy ride. I don't feel any traffic congestion and all. It's having a nice ride. So meanwhile, having fun, right? I want to tell a few things. So nowadays, orphanages they're struggling a lot to provide food for the children. One reason is the cost, is very high. Even for the common people, they can feel it. There's a lot of food inflation, I believe. So people have to, are struggling a lot. So finally, I have reached to shopping for groceries. Let's go inside and look what are the needs. So here we need, not only food items, we also need, you know, um, cleaning. Cleaning. We orphanages they need cleaning stuff. They have to clean bathrooms and all. So I have taken the help of the caregivers from the orphanages, and they are helping me with this drive. So at present, the orphanages that I'm helping out, there are good employees, they are good caregivers. They have taken additional time and they came this far to help me out because we are purchasing lot many items like toothpaste, antiseptic, bathroom cleaners, even Vaseline and all those things. So it's difficult for me to buy these items. And thank for these helpers who are taking their additional time from their office and helping me with this work. And I think after the purchase here you can see the security, they have made the clearance and then we are loading it for the delivery. So again, buying is items is one thing, and then loading this thing is a very tedious task. Thanks for these hardworking people. They helped me out to do this loading. By this time, I was so tired. Even for it was for difficult for me to record this video. My hands were all tied up. But these guys, they have so much of energy. You can see there are around 5 to 6 trolleys. So we have all the food item, food supplies, household supplies. Yeah, waiting for to reach to the destination. These are such a nice, hardworking people here. Yeah, thank you for them. So final checks for the loading is done. We make sure that all things got loaded and we are ready to set off to our destination. And I'm following this truck to make sure that it reaches to the destination and see that it doesn't misdirect to the other place. So one thing, guys, the donations that we have done today is just enough for only for 1 month, and even the request also we are fulfilling around 60 to 70%. It is not that enough, but somehow it is manageable for this month. And let's see. I have requested other people to help them. Uh, and we need to help these orphan kids, and especially for the disabled ones. They cannot take care of themselves and they need help, and if we don't support them, who will support them? So this is the one which has driven me to help them. Yeah. So finally we reached to the destination. So this is the SCH Orphanage, Sarah Covenant's home for physically challenging and specially abled kids. So we are unloading all the goods here so that this can be used here. So again, thank you for these caregivers, who is helping them to again shopping, loading, and now unloading. Now they are here, they are sorting the items so that to count and make sure that everything is noted and have a proper inventory so that they can use it more efficiently. Thank you guys for all your help, especially for my gated community and my friends who have donated to make this successful. Let's listen to the caregiver from the orphanage.
Thank you so much for giving this groceries. నిజంగా ఇది మా పిల్లలకు చాలా హెల్ప్ఫుల్ అవుతుంది మంత్లీ ఆగస్ట్ నుంచి ఇలా తీసుకొని పిల్లలు ఆల్మోస్ట్ 50 చిల్డ్రన్స్ ఉన్నారు ఇక్కడ. సో ఎవ్రీ మంత్ ఇలా మేము దాంతో నుంచి తీసుకొని పిల్లలకి ఈ విధంగా ఇస్తున్నాము. మీరాజ్ గారు అండ్ టీమ్, థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ యువర్ హెల్ప్ అండ్ సపోర్ట్.
రాజపుష్ప గారు.
రాజపుష్ప అండ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
Yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.